Hey guys, they say wonders shall never cease to end though. INEC don't turn something else in Nigeria. Court of Appeal decries, says INEC has continued to disown his own documents, says he's acting partisan. You can imagine. The Court of Appeal sitting in Abuja on Friday descended heavily on the Independent National Electoral Commission, INEC, accusing it of being partisan. The appellate court said it was embarrassing that the commission could appear before it to act in favor of a party in an election dispute by disowning documents that it is not only issued but also duly certified. It decried that the electoral body has continued to dance naked in the market, even though it was meant to assume a neutral stand in election litigations. The INEC as an institution should be reminded of its role in an election to be an unbiased umpire between parties. It should stop behaving irresponsibly, having in mind that its duty to conduct election has a direct bearing on peace and well-being of the country. The role of INEC in election dispute should be limited to the tendering of all the documents used in an election and explaining what they were used for and how they were obtained. INEC should stop dancing naked in the market, pretending that no one is seeing its nakedness and its dancing steps, the court stated, while delivering judgment in a Bauchi State House of Assembly election appeal. The lead judgment of a three-member panel of the court was delivered by Justice K.I. Amadi. The panel, in its unanimous decision, nullified the election of the Speaker of the Bauchi State House of Assembly, Abubakar Suleiman, who was earlier declared the winner of Ninge Central Constituency in the state by INEC. The court held that evidence before it established that the election was inconclusive. Aside from voiding the certificate of return that was issued to Suleiman, who contested on the platform of the People's Democratic Party (PDP), the appellate court directed INEC to conduct a supplementary poll in 10 polling units in the state within 90 days. The court further awarded a cost of 500,000 naira against INEC. The judgment followed an appeal that was brought before the court by the candidate of the All Progressive Congress (APC) in the election, Adu Malaki Ningi. INEC had declared that Suleiman of the PDP pulled a total of 16,866 votes to defeat his closest rival, Adu Malaki Ningi of the APC, who scored 15,665 votes in the election that was held on March 18. However, dissatisfied with the outcome of the election, the APC candidate lodged a petition before the State Assembly Election Petition Tribunal. The petitioner, among other things, alleged that the results of the election were cancelled due to overvoting for corrupt practices. Even though INEC, which was a respondent in the matter, denied the claim that there was overvoting, it failed to produce any witness before the tribunal, which vehemently dismissed the petition. While faulting the decision of the tribunal, the appellate court noted that the appellate brought 9 witnesses who testified in respect of the various polling units and also tendered certified copies of INEC documents to support his case. It held that going by Section 137 of the Electoral Act 2022, the certified INEC documents were enough to sustain the allegation that the election was not conducted in compliance with the provisions of the law. The court wondered why INEC denied that the results of the election were cancelled in some polling units when its officials established the same fact in Form EC 40G that they signed and submitted to it. It held that the tribunal was statutorily empowered to accord probative value to the INEC document, which it said disclosed all information required to prove the alleged non-compliance. And INEC for the good of Nigeria. Thank you so much, George, thank you for reminding INEC their duty to the parties and not to come to the court and deny their own document, even in the CTC document they invented. The most comforting words to grieving Nigerians as a result, INEC radicality and finally came from a court at least. I think you did not understand what is going on. No. Well, the judgment favor APC. You will abuse the judge. INEC is not independent. They murdered Nigerian democracy. Only time will tell. The extent of damages over our democracy have suffered from the hand of INEC, who collected money and said the wishes of Nigerians. If you want to know more character of a man, give him money and power. The money with INEC are tostigating them. Their brains are to be examined. Okay, guys, let's hear from you. What's your take on this? Kindly share your thoughts below the comment section. Thank you.